Up first this evening, 2 weeks into the new school year, and another group of educators say they are still reeling from teacher shortage issues.
Institutions in the deaf community say they've been forced to adopt a different approach to filling the gap left by teachers who've resigned. Sandy Williams explains.
Both students and teachers of the Caribbean Christian Center for the Deaf Kingston campus were happy with the resumption of face-to-face classes. However, head girl for the institution, Melissa Gale, says it has been marred with a new problem.
One of the challenges since coming back to school is that we don't have enough teachers here on campus.
School principal Tarian Bernard explains that, like others, her institution is struggling with teacher migration. One of her English teachers resigned to take up an opportunity overseas, but it's a greater challenge for the school as Jamaica already suffers from a shortage of deaf educators. As a result, the school has opted to accepting any teacher and will in turn help them acquire Jamaican Sign Language.
Teachers have had to choose between what they love and who they love in the students for an opportunity to make more money. So they have looked at the special education system in the US and they see where they can go there, they can apply and be successful and get employment there.
Ms. Bernard adds that while she commends the government for passing the Disabilities Act this year, more needs to be done in the general population to assist the disabled community.
I think that it would be a little bit more easy to fill these posts when they become available and persons decide to go if Jamaican Sign Language becomes more not mandatory in the classroom, but if more persons know it, if all teachers' colleges have it as a course where persons get exposed, even at a conversational level, then when we have our interviews, they've had the experience.
A teacher, Petrona Dolphy, says while the students are eager to learn sign language, the past 2 years have frustrated them as they have not fully developed the skill.
My strategy is really just to review, revise, observe, and to see what their capabilities are, how we can improve, what teaching strategies we can improve on, and go over the basics, and also go over the basics on how I teach and deliver my mode of teaching as well.
The institution is pleading for help. Both students and administrators believe the disabled community needs to be included more in the society, including more Jamaicans learning sign language. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.